Have you ever wondered how to attract more wealth into your life? Today we're going to share a powerful ancient ritual that can help you bring financial abundance. This practice has been used for centuries, and many believe it holds the key to unlocking prosperity. Stay with us to learn how you can use this simple yet effective technique to invite wealth and success into your everyday life. Let's get started. The bed is more than just a place to sleep. It is a powerful energy center in your home. Just as the pyramids are known for their strong energy fields, your bed also holds significant energy that can influence your well-being and success. The energy of the bed comes from the time you spend there, your thoughts and your emotions. Like the pyramids, which are carefully constructed to harness and amplify energy, the placement and state of your bed can greatly impact your life. Your surroundings, including your bed, affect how you feel and the outcomes you experience. A positive, well-maintained bed can help you attract good energy, improve your rest, and support your overall success. Mentalism is the idea that our thoughts and mind can shape our reality. It suggests that the energy we put out into the world with our thoughts can affect what happens in our lives. This concept has been around for centuries, with historical figures like Hermes Trismegistus teaching about the connection between our inner world and the outer world. Hermes believed that everything is connected, and that our minds have the power to influence our surroundings and outcomes. Today, we will introduce a ritual that taps into this power of mentalism. The ritual is not just about achieving results, it's also about enjoying the process. When you focus on positive energy and set your intentions clearly, you harness the power of your mind to bring about the changes you desire. To perform this ritual, you will need a few simple items: a clean glass jar, 3 garlic cloves, bay leaves, a coin, a cinnamon stick or some cinnamon powder, and rice. These everyday objects hold powerful energy that can help you attract wealth and prosperity. First, take the clean glass jar. It represents clarity and transparency. By using a clean jar, you are symbolizing a fresh start and a clear path for positive energy to flow into your life. Next, add 3 garlic cloves. Garlic is known for its protective qualities. It helps to ward off negative energy and creates a shield around you, ensuring that only positive energy can enter your space. Then add bay leaves to the jar. Bay leaves have been used for centuries in rituals and are believed to bring good luck and success. They also help to amplify your intentions, making your wishes more powerful. After the bay leaves, place a coin in the jar. The coin represents wealth and abundance. By adding it to the jar, you are inviting financial prosperity into your life. Next, add a cinnamon stick or some cinnamon powder. Cinnamon is a powerful spice that attracts positive energy and enhances the effectiveness of your intentions. It brings warmth and vitality to your ritual, making it even more potent. Finally, add some rice to the jar. Rice symbolizes abundance and fertility. It ensures that the positive energy and wealth you attract will continue to grow and multiply. As you place each item in the jar, focus on your intentions. Think about the financial abundance you want to attract and the positive changes you wish to see in your life. Visualize your desires clearly and feel the positive energy flowing into the jar. Once all the items are in the jar, close it tightly. Hold the jar in your hands and take a moment to set your final intention. Feel the power of your thoughts and the energy of the items combining to create a strong force of attraction. Place the jar in a safe spot where you can see it often. Each time you look at the jar, remind yourself of your intentions and the positive energy you are inviting into your life. This ritual is a simple yet powerful way to harness the energy of everyday objects and the power of your mind to attract financial abundance. By focusing on positive thoughts and intentions, you can influence your reality and bring about the changes you desire. Enjoy the process and trust in the power of mentalism to guide you toward prosperity. Let's begin performing the ritual. Start by preparing the jar. Hold the clean glass jar in your hands and visualize what wealth means to you. Think about the feelings of peace, freedom, and happiness that financial abundance can bring. Let these positive emotions fill your mind and heart. Now let's add the ingredients. First, place the bay leaves into the jar. Bay leaves are known for their protective qualities and their ability to attract abundance. As you add the bay leaves, think about the protection and prosperity they bring. Next, Add the 3 garlic cloves. Garlic is a powerful tool for safeguarding your abundance. It creates a barrier against negative energy and ensures that your wealth remains protected. Feel the strength and protection of the garlic as you place it in the jar. Then add the cinnamon. You can use a cinnamon stick or some cinnamon powder. Cinnamon is a spice that amplifies wealth and positive energy. As you add the cinnamon, feel its warm and vibrant energy enhancing your intentions for financial abundance. After that, place the coin into the jar. The coin represents the flow of money and financial prosperity. By adding it to the jar, you are inviting a continuous flow of wealth into your life. Feel the energy of the coin and its connection to financial success. Finally, add the rice. Rice symbolizes abundance and growth. It ensures that the positive energy and wealth you attract will continue to multiply. As you add the rice, think about the continuous growth of your prosperity. As you add each ingredient, speak your affirmations aloud. For example, when adding the bay leaves, you might say, "I attract protection and abundance." When adding the garlic, say, "My wealth is safeguarded from negative energy." For the cinnamon, say, "My wealth is amplified and growing." For the coin, say, "Money flows easily and freely to me." And for the rice, say, "My prosperity continues to grow and multiply." Once all the ingredients are in the jar, seal it tightly. Hold the jar in your hands and set your final intention. Focus on the positive energy and intentions you have placed into the jar. Feel the power of your thoughts and the energy of the ingredients combining to create a strong force of attraction. Place the jar in a safe spot where you can see it often. Each time you look at the jar, remind yourself of your intentions and the positive energy you are inviting into your life. This ritual is a powerful way to harness the energy of everyday objects and the power of your mind to attract financial abundance. By focusing on positive thoughts and intentions, you can influence your reality and bring about the changes you desire. Enjoy the process and trust in the power of mentalism to guide you toward prosperity. Now, let's talk about placing the jar. The best spot for your jar is under your bed. This is a powerful place because your bed is where you spend a lot of time, and it's a key energy center in your home. By placing the jar under your bed, you are creating a strong connection between the energy of the jar and your personal energy. Think of the jar as a magnet that attracts wealth and prosperity into your life. Every time you lie down to rest, the positive energy and intentions stored in the jar work to draw financial abundance toward you. This placement helps to ensure that the energy of the jar is always close to you, working continuously to attract the wealth you desire. Your feelings and thoughts play a crucial role in this process. When you focus on positive emotions and clear intentions, you communicate with the universe more effectively. The universe responds to the energy you put out, so it's important to maintain a mindset of peace, gratitude, and confidence in your ability to attract abundance. Each night, as you prepare to sleep, take a moment to think about your financial goals and feel grateful for the abundance that is already on its way to you. This positive focus strengthens the energy of the jar and enhances its ability to attract wealth. By keeping your thoughts and emotions aligned with your intentions, you create a powerful synergy that helps to bring your desires into reality. Remember, the key is to enjoy the process and trust in the power of your intentions. The combination of the ritual, the placement of the jar, and your positive mindset will help you harness the energy needed to attract financial abundance into your life. To enhance the ritual, you can incorporate the use of scent and affirmations. Take a bill, such as a dollar bill, and apply your favorite perfume to it. The scent will help anchor your intentions and keep you connected to the energy of abundance. Carry this scented bill with you in your wallet or purse. Each time you smell the perfume, it will remind you of your financial goals and the positive energy you are attracting. Daily affirmations are also a powerful tool. By repeating affirmations every day, you reinforce the energy and intention behind your ritual. Simple affirmations like, "I attract wealth and abundance," "Money flows easily to me," and "I am worthy of prosperity" can help keep your mind focused on positive outcomes. Speak these affirmations aloud or write them down in your journal to strengthen their impact. Mindset and daily habits are crucial in supporting the ritual. start your day with gratitude. Take a few moments each morning to think about the things you are grateful for, including the financial abundance you are attracting. Gratitude helps to shift your focus to the positive aspects of your life and creates a mindset of abundance. Keeping a journal can also be very beneficial. Use your journal to write positive affirmations and set financial goals. This practice helps to clarify your intentions and keeps you motivated. Each day, write down your goals and the steps you plan to take to achieve them. Reflect on your progress regularly and celebrate your successes no matter how small they may seem. It's also important to replace any negative beliefs about money with positive ones. Many people have limiting beliefs about money that can block the flow of abundance. If you find yourself thinking things like, "I can't afford this," or "money is hard to come by," try to reframe these thoughts into positive statements. For example, you can say, "I have the resources I need," or "money comes to me easily and effortlessly." Changing your mindset in this way helps to remove blocks and opens the path to financial prosperity. Remember, the energy you put out into the world is what you attract back to you. By focusing on positive thoughts, gratitude, and clear intentions, you align yourself with the energy of abundance. Each step of the ritual, from preparing the jar to enhancing it with scent and affirmations, works together to create a powerful force for attracting wealth. By maintaining a positive mindset and incorporating these daily habits, you can reinforce the energy of your ritual and increase its effectiveness. Trust in the process and believe in your ability to attract financial abundance. With consistent practice and a focused mind, you can bring your financial goals to life and enjoy the prosperity you deserve. To maintain a high vibration, it's important to engage in activities that uplift your spirit. Surround yourself with positive influences, whether that's through spending time with supportive friends and family, listening to inspiring music, or reading motivational books. These positive influences help keep your energy high and aligned with your intentions for abundance. Committing to this practice long-term is key. Celebrate your small successes along the way, as each step forward is a sign of progress. Remember to be patient and trust the process. Financial abundance may not happen overnight, but with consistent effort and a positive mindset, you will see results. In closing, remember that you have the power within you to create an abundant life. By harnessing the energy of your intentions and following this ritual, you are taking a significant step toward attracting wealth and prosperity. Thank you for joining us and for being part of this journey toward financial abundance. Keep exploring and experimenting with these practices. Stay open to new methods and trust in the power of your mind and intentions. We encourage you to share your experiences and stay connected with others who are on the same path. As we end, let's repeat a positive affirmation together. I am a magnet for wealth and abundance. Feel the truth of these words and carry them with you each day. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to hearing about your successes. Stay positive and keep your energy high.